Happy birthday, Kendrick!
Happy birthday, Kench!
Today is the birthday of my baby, but I have a gift too. So let's unbox this first.
Okay, unbox na natin. Cut natin.
Give me
Oh, kanino galing yan? Yung gift mo?
Mommy!
Okay, dahil birthday ni Kendrick, hindi lang si Kendrick ang may gift, kundi si Kuya, meron din siyang i-open.
Let me
Okay, open na natin yung kay
open this
Kuya.
Here. Oh, very strong.
O, akin na. Open na rin natin yung kay Kench.
Mama, wait!
Love, akin na.
Wait, I am still opening it.
Kendrick, how old are you? 4 na. 4 si Kendrick. 4. Oh, nagvi-video ang mommy para upload natin to sa YouTube.
But can I open this stuff?
Oh, wait lang. Wait lang. Kench, you're blocking the camera. Dito ka. You go back to your seat na. What's that?
Wow, is this Rex?
It's...
Wait, this is distorted?
It's distorted already. It's called Distortus Rex. So, fix it first. O, si Kendrick naman. Si Kendrick naman. Akin na.
Okay, iayos natin.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Open mo muna gift mo. Kench, open your gift. This one is from Ninang Kim. Oh, open na. Open mo.
Who's that?
From Ninang Kim. Open, open. Open the toy.
Oh, wow. It's
Ate,
fully articulated. Wait.
I cannot open na.
We need some super...
Later ka na. Later ka na. Si Kendrick na. Para tapos na ang unboxing. Bilis.
Yeah, the tail. Let me hit this stuff.
Give me the ano.
This is multi-articulation D-Rex, and I'm gonna get this stuff.
This is how to Rex?
Whoa, I have an idea.
Oh, ako muna!
Siya na nga. Akin na nga. Kuya, kulit eh.
Okay.
This toy is from Ninang Kim.
Mine.
Oo, that's mine,
Ano
that's
kakabit
mine.
ko?
Open na natin yung gift ni Ninang Kim. What's
Kakabit.
this? Wow!
SpongeBob!
Oh, say thank you to Ninang Kim.
Thank you.
Ninang Kim.
SpongeBob.
Thank you po, Ninang Kim. Wow, dapat pala ginamit natin to bubble maker. Oh, next, kay Mita Karen. This is the gift of Mita Karen. Happy birthday, Kendrick.
It's SpongeBob.
It's SpongeBob. Let's open it.
Uy, stop!
Here ka. Sit down ka dito. No, love. Kay kuya yan. Sit down ka dito. Tingin ka kay daddy dun sa video. Let's open. Oh, open mo na. Open.
Does it work?
Wow!
That's only a Robo T-Rex.
What's this?
What is what T-Rex?
Yay! Thank you. Say thank you to Ninang Kim.
Wait!
Thank you.
Ay, thank you to Mita Karen.
Thank you, Mita Karen.
Do you know? Say, look at the video. Thank you, Mita Karen.
Does it
So, we have 2 toys na.
Okay, the final one is Julia Biss and Sea Emperor.
This one is
Mommy
from
again.
Usog. Kay Daddy to.
What?
This one is from Daddy. Sino gift nito?
See?
Daddy. Let's
What
open
is-
na ang gift ni Daddy from Shopee Go.
What is that?
Harem ni Kuya, okay, Harem.
Wala pa nga, hiram na agad ni Kuya.
Julia Bisaningen.
This
No.
is not Lincoln.
Emperor.
Excuse me, your hand, your hand.
It is finally! Oh my
Nabuo na yung kay
goodness.
Kuya.
Oh my
what can you
goodness.
say? Kendrick, Liam. Later, siya
Wait.
mag-unbox.
Wait.
Oh.
Ah!
Siya mag-unbox, mahal. Get mo yan, what's that?
Oh, I have the blue! Oh wait! I have the pink sanded!
This is, Daddy is a sea emperor. This one is Julia Beast. This one, yung dati nila. Ingay. Oh, look mo, this is Julia Beast. Malaki.
Kendrick, can I
And
borrow?
this is Sea Emperor. Yung mga pinapanood nila.
It's broken.
It's broken na. Oh, kaya mo
I
meron pa
like
niya.
Julia Beach.
Okay, what will you say? Say thank you na.
Thank you.
Thank you po sa mga toys at sa mga nagbigay ng gift. May money din. Salamat po. God bless po. Oh, say that. Thank you, Papa Chisa. Say thank you, Papa Chisa.
Thank you,
Salamat.
Mama Jesus.
Oh, thank you kay Dads.
Where's the other one, Mom?
Mag-thank thank you kayo kay Dad. So,
Thank you,
pinuntahan natin
Daddy!
today. Salamat sa mga nakasama namin kanina.
Bob!
Sa tour sa pinuntahan namin. Salamat. Nakuha kaya yun? Thank you so much. Masayang mga babies ko.
Ito, Mama.
Salamat. This one is from Ninang Kim. This one is from Mita Karen. And this one is from Daddy.
Hey!
Oh. And may mga money din. Salamat po sa mga nagbigay. Pagpalain kayo, Mama Baby. Oh, Mama Karen for the cake. And Daddy Lupo, thank you po. At kina Ate May. Salamat po. Oh, say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye.
Bye!
Oh, bye sa vlog. Bye. Enjoy.
See you and bye-bye!
Oh, ito pa. Meron ka pang dino. Thank you.
Bob Square
And Mommy and Daddy, bye.
Bob Square Pants!
Bye. Saya ng birthday boy.